Rumble's never seen a glow stick before, so we'll see how interested he is in it. So far, very much so. Looks like he wants to fight it. That's Rumble's first reaction to anything he's never seen before, is to be very fierce and fight with it, assert his dominance. This is his boxing. He's a good boxer. That's Rocket whining in the background. Rocket! Come here! Rocket! Come on! Come see the glow stick! Come here! Here comes Rocket. There he is. Hi baby, what's this? Oh, now Rocket wants to box with it. He's a good boxer too.